Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send a message on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos on Tech Talk. So to be able to send someone a message on Instagram, first you're going to have to make sure that you have downloaded the Instagram app. You will download the app, you will make sure that you have an account and that you are signed in. Once you are signed in, you can go right into Instagram. This will take you to your home page. You will see at the top right is kind of this paper airplane icon. You will hit that icon and that will take you to your message center. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the plus button at the top right again. This creates a new message. Once you're there, you can search for your friends that you would like to message. You can hit that. And then next. You can select multiple right at this point, or you can just hit next and that will message them. So see right here that you can message them whatever you would like. And once you're all set, you can hit send. You'll see that that's an easy way of sending a message. You can send pictures as well by selecting this bottom right area. You can select any photos that you'd like. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And that'll send that as well to them. You can also record any audio voice messages in the bottom right, or you can hit that plus button for more options. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.